Namaste. We're Bob
and Fran. We've been team teaching Qigong for more than 25 years worldwide.
Our goal in life is to die young, but as late as possible. Qigong is enabling us to achieve this. We feel better than ever, even as we enter our 80s.
Our mission is to share this life-changing practice with as many others as possible through this YouTube channel. Qigong can empower you to enjoy more vitality, less anxiety, and greater health, happiness, and longevity.
When you subscribe to our videos, you'll find them simple and understandable. We teach so it's easy, fun, and healthful for you. Just follow along with us at your pace.
And please subscribe. Hit the notification button too.
Let's get started now. Join us on this healthful journey.